As we age, our bodies go through natural changes that can sometimes feel surprising or challenging, including our ability to stay steady on our feet. You might notice you're tripping more often, feeling a bit wobbly when you move, or struggling to maintain balance. It's not just inconvenient, it can also raise concerns about falls. But why does this happen? What's going on in our bodies that makes balance harder after 60? And more importantly, what can we do about it to feel safer and more confident? In today's video, we'll explore 14 key reasons why you might lose balance after 60, based on scientific insights into senior health. We'll start with the most common issues older adults face, like muscle weakness, stiff joints, dehydration, and fear of falling, so you can better understand and address them right away. Each reason will come with clear explanations and practical tips to help you stay steady, reduce fall risks, and enjoy life with confidence and independence. Stick with us until the end, as we'll share actionable strategies to support your balance, especially important for healthy aging and senior wellness. As we get older, balance naturally declines due to changes in our physiology and nervous system. The vestibular system in our inner ear, the key player for balance, becomes less sharp, leading to dizziness or instability. Vision might also fade due to conditions like cataracts or glaucoma, making it harder to judge space. Plus, weaker muscles, stiffer joints, and a less responsive central nervous system make it tougher for our bodies to adjust quickly, raising the risk of falls. But don't worry, regular physical activity, balance exercises, and lifestyle tweaks can slow or lessen these effects, helping you maintain balance after 60, support senior health, and promote fall prevention. Here are 14 main reasons why you might lose balance as you age, listed in order of how common they are among older adults, along with science-based solutions to improve them. 1. Muscle weakness, the most common culprit behind balance issues. Muscle loss or sarcopenia is a common occurrence after 60, reducing strength, especially in the legs, core, and lower back. This makes it harder to stand firmly or adjust your posture, increasing the risk of tripping or falling, directly affecting senior fitness and senior safety. Studies show sarcopenia can decrease muscle strength by up to 30% in older adults, impacting daily balance. How to improve? Build muscle with regular strength training using light weights, resistance bands, or gentle squats. Focusing on your legs and core, 2 to 3 times a week to enhance balance after 60 and support healthy aging. Second, stiff joints, reduced flexibility. Making movement. Tricky joints, especially in the ankles, knees, and hips, become stiffer and less flexible due to arthritis or joint degeneration, which is common in older adults. This slows down your ability to adjust posture quickly, making it easier to lose balance when moving fast, impacting elderly balance and fall prevention. Research indicates arthritis affects 50% of people over 60, raising fall risks and affecting senior wellness. How to improve? Do stretching exercises, yoga, or Tai Chi to keep your joints flexible, reduce stiffness, and improve movement, supporting aging gracefully in senior health. 3. Dehydration, causing dizziness and fatigue. Older adults are prone to dehydration because of a reduced sense of thirst and the use of diuretic medications, leading to dizziness, lightheadedness, and an increased risk of falls. Dehydration can also cause low blood pressure when standing up quickly, making it harder to stay steady, affecting balance challenges in over 60 health. Studies show about 20% of older adults experience mild dehydration, requiring attention in elderly care. How to improve? Drink water regularly, carry a water bottle, and eat water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables to prevent dehydration, enhancing stability tips and senior safety. Fear of falling, increasing instability risk. While it makes sense to worry about falling, this fear can make older adults overly cautious, reducing flexibility and raising the risk of losing balance. It creates a vicious cycle. Less movement leads to weaker muscles, worsening balance and affecting elderly balance and senior wellness. Research shows 30% of older adults fear falling, needing strategies to overcome it for senior fitness. How to improve? Join fall prevention classes or work with a physical therapist to rebuild confidence in movement, supporting fall prevention and healthy living over 60. 5. Inner ear issues, weakening the vestibular system. The vestibular system in the inner ear, responsible for balance perception, weakens with age, causing dizziness, lightheadedness, or instability. This is common in older adults, increasing fall risks and impacting balance after 60. Studies show 30% of people over 65 experience vestibular issues, requiring special care. How to improve? Practice balance exercises like standing on one leg or walking heel to toe, helping your brain compensate effectively, supporting balance exercises in senior health. 6. Reduced body awareness, proprioception. Struggling to sense body position. Body awareness or proprioception declines as nerve endings in the legs and body become less sensitive, making it harder to detect your body's position and movement. This leads to tripping and losing balance, especially on uneven surfaces, affecting age-related balance and elderly balance. Research indicates proprioception drops by 20% after 60, needing attention in senior care tips. How to improve? Walk barefoot when safe, roll a tennis ball under your feet, or do balance exercises to stimulate nerves, enhancing stability tips in senior fitness. 7. Vision changes. Impacting spatial awareness. Vision declines due to conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, or refractive errors, reducing the ability to judge space and distance, causing balance issues. This is common in people over 60, affecting senior safety and fall prevention. Studies show 40% of older adults face vision problems, requiring regular checkups. How to improve? Schedule regular eye exams, wear appropriate glasses, and improve lighting at home, especially on stairs and in bathrooms, supporting aging gracefully and healthy aging. 8. Vitamin B12. Deficiency causing nerve damage. A lack of vitamin B12, common in older adults due to poor absorption, leads to nerve damage, numbness in hands and feet, and reduced coordination. This weakens balance and memory, impacting geriatric health and over 60 health. Research shows 15% of people over 60 are deficient in B12, needing careful supplementation. How to improve? Eat B12-rich foods like meat, fish, and eggs, or take supplements under a doctor's guidance, supporting balance problems and healthy living over 60. 9. Medication side effects. Affecting stability. Some medications like blood pressure drugs, antidepressants, or sleep aids can cause dizziness, drowsiness, or balance issues, especially in older adults. This is a common but often overlooked reason, raising fall risks and affecting senior health. Studies show 25% of older adults experience balance issues from medications, requiring close monitoring. How to improve? Discuss with your doctor to adjust dosages or switch medications, avoiding self-discontinuation, supporting elderly care and senior safety. 10. Chronic conditions. Impacting mobility conditions like diabetes, Parkinson's, stroke, or arthritis weaken mobility, coordination, and balance, affecting elderly balance and age and balance. This is common in people over 60, increasing fall prevention needs. Research shows 35% of older adults have chronic conditions impacting balance, requiring good management. How to improve? Manage these conditions with your doctor, follow treatment plans, and do gentle exercises, supporting balance challenges in senior fitness. 11. Reduced foot sensation. Struggling to feel the ground. Feet contain many nerves that help sense the ground and adjust posture, but sensation declines in older adults, especially with diabetes. This raises tripping and balance risks, affecting balance after 60 and age-related balance. Studies show 25% of people over 60 experience reduced foot sensation, needing attention. How to improve? Walk barefoot when safe, roll a tennis ball under your feet, or practice balance exercises to stimulate nerves, supporting elderly health and senior fitness. 12th, posture changes. Shifting your center of gravity. Posture shifts with age like a hunchback or forward-leaning head. Move your body's center of gravity, making balance harder. This is common in people over 60, impacting balance challenges and senior wellness. Research shows 40% of older adults have poor posture, needing improvement. How to improve? Practice exercises to keep your back straight, like yoga or Pilates, and check your posture daily, supporting aging gracefully and healthy aging. 13. Cognitive decline, slowing reaction times. The brain plays a crucial role in integrating sensory information to maintain balance. But mild cognitive decline in older adults can slow reactions, especially when multitasking. This raises fall risks during activities like walking, talking, or carrying items, impacting geriatric health and senior safety. Studies show 20% of people over 60 experience mild cognitive decline, requiring attention. How to improve? Learn new skills, join social activities, or dance to maintain cognition, improve reflexes, and support balance problems in senior wellness. 14. Sleep disturbances. Disrupting balance and coordination. Poor sleep quality or sleep disorders, common in older adults, can impair balance and coordination by affecting brain function and muscle recovery. Conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless leg syndrome reduce reaction times and increase daytime fatigue, making it harder to stay steady, impacting balance after 60 and senior wellness. Research suggests 25% of people over 60 experience sleep issues that affect physical stability, often overlooked in elderly health. How to improve? Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and consult a doctor about sleep disorders, supporting stability tips and healthy living over 60. You've now explored 14 key reasons why balance declines after 60, but the good news is you can take control and improve it. Small daily changes, like exercising, getting health checkups, and making your home safer, can help you stay steady, lower fall risks, and enjoy life with confidence and independence. Let's dive into practical ways to improve and restore your balance, tailored for healthy aging and senior wellness. Ways to improve and restore balance. Build muscle strength. Exercise regularly, especially strength training with light weights, resistance bands, or gentle squats, focusing on legs, core, and back, 2 to 3 times a week to slow muscle loss. Supporting senior fitness and balance after 60. Keep joints flexible. Do stretching exercises, yoga, or Tai Chi to maintain joint flexibility, reduce stiffness, and improve movement, fitting fall prevention and healthy aging. Boost vestibular function. While you can't stop vestibular decline, balance exercises like standing on one leg, walking heel to toe, or practicing gentle yoga can help your brain adapt, supporting balance exercises in senior health. Enhance vision. Schedule regular eye exams, wear the right glasses, and improve home lighting, especially on stairs and in bathrooms, to reduce fall risks, supporting elderly care and aging gracefully. Manage medications. Talk to your doctor about adjusting dosages or switching meds if they affect balance, avoiding self-stopping, fitting geriatric health and senior safety. Control chronic conditions, manage blood sugar if you have diabetes, follow treatment for conditions like Parkinson's or arthritis, and try physical therapy to maintain movement, supporting balance challenges in over 60 health. Stay hydrated, drink water regularly, carry a water bottle, and eat water-rich foods like fruits and veggies to prevent dehydration, enhancing stability tips and elderly balance. Overcome fear of falling, join fall prevention classes, or work with a physical therapist to regain confidence in movement, supporting senior wellness and fall prevention. Stimulate foot sensation. Walk barefoot when safe, roll a tennis ball under your feet, or practice balance exercises to activate nerves, improving age-related balance and senior fitness. Improve posture. Practice exercises to keep your back straight, like yoga, Pilates, or daily stretches, and check your posture regularly, supporting aging gracefully and healthy aging. Boost brain activity. Learn new skills, join social activities, or dance to maintain cognition, improve reflexes, and support balance problems in senior wellness. Improve sleep quality. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Create a calming bedtime routine, like avoiding screens before bed, and consult a doctor about sleep disorders to enhance balance and coordination, supporting stability tips and healthy living over 60. Important notes. Starting to improve your balance as early as possible will give the best results, but it's never too late to begin, even if you've noticed balance issues. Simple, safe balance exercises can fit into your daily routine, like standing on one leg while waiting for water to boil, walking heel to toe during a phone call, or doing sit-to-stands during TV commercial breaks, all supporting senior health and healthy living over 60. Also, make your living space safer by removing tripping hazards like slippery rugs or cluttered floors to lower fall risks, supporting senior safety and fall prevention. Installing grab bars in the bathroom and handrails on both sides of stairs to boost stability, fitting elderly care and balance after 60. Improving lighting, especially in areas you move through at night, to support elderly balance and age-related balance. Maintaining balance isn't just about avoiding falls. It helps you stay independent, confident, and enjoy life to the fullest. You can keep playing with grandkids, traveling, dancing, or doing the activities you love without worrying about stability, promoting healthy aging and senior wellness. If you're over 60 and notice your balance isn't what it used to be, don't accept it as an inevitable part of aging. Start with small, safe exercises, check medications and health conditions that might affect balance. Make your home safer, stay active, and challenge yourself in a scientific, safe way. Supporting balance challenges in geriatric health. You've discovered 14 reasons and solutions to improve balance after 60, but small daily actions can make a big difference. If this content is helpful, please like and share it to help others improve their balance too, supporting senior care tips and elderly health. Do you or a loved one struggle with balance issues? Leave a comment to discuss aiding balance problems in senior wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to Harmony for Health and turn on notifications to never miss our weekly health tips. We post videos every week and truly appreciate your support. Before you go, check out 2 related videos we've curated just for you. They'll definitely add value to your senior health and healthy aging journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.